Here's a lesson I learned from my grandson. And if you'd like more of those lessons, you can go over to lessonsfrommygrandson.com. He knows what he means, even if I don't know what he means. So what did my daughter and son-in-law do? They taught him sign language. I didn't know they were teaching kids sign language. But when he wants more, he could just go like this. He can say more too. Eat, milk. He knows these things. How about your clients? Your customers? Your patients? How many times do they know what they want, but they don't know how to say it to you? Back when I was just doing photography, before Dr. Mark and I were together, people would call me up as a photographer and they'd say, "How much for an 8x10? Well, they didn't realize what else to ask. That's why that was the question. So pay attention to what people are asking you and make sure they're asking you the question that they really want to have the answer to.